Well, it's about to be a very interesting week in the stock market. We have some economic data that is being released. We have new tariff news. Let's dive into it. So first things first, we now have 30% tariffs on imports from Mexico and the EU, so I'll be interested to see how the market initially reacts to that tomorrow morning. For economic data, we have a CPI release on Tuesday and a PPI release on Wednesday. So we're going to have to take a look at those before market open. They're going to give us our best indicator of how inflation is being affected by tariffs. To go into a little more detail on the tariff situation currently, it looks like the U.S. government actually posted a very rare $27 billion budget surplus in June. Total tariff revenue that was collected in June was upwards of $27 billion, which is a 300% gain from June of 2024. And for those of you that are visual learners, here's the month of June, red being 2025, green being 2024, orange being 2023, and blue being 2022. So tell me guys, is tariff revenue actually having an impact? The next big thing that we're going to want to watch for is the resignation of Jerome Powell, our current Fed chair. As you guys know, Donald Trump has been boasting about rate cuts for a while now, and he even called for a 300 basis point rate cut, which has never been done in the history of the U.S. and would be absolutely insane. Ultimately, I really have no idea the market's initial reaction to a 300 basis point cut. I do believe it would probably, in the short term, see quite the pullback just because there'd be a lot of uncertainty. But in the long term, I do believe it would lead the S&P 500 to the next leg up, possibly 7,000. So if you look at the market from a technical perspective, looking at the SPY, it looks like 612 is our previous resistance right here. So if we do see some sort of pullback, I would really want that area to hold in order for us to head higher. It just so happens that that 612 area lines directly up with the 21 EMA here. As you can see, that purple line on the chart. And look at what happened the last time that we decided to touch that 21 EMA. That dip was bought up very fast. So ultimately, you really want that area to hold in order for us to head higher. And of course, I just want to update you guys on the Roth IRA investment challenge here. Started this account about a little over 200 days ago now, and I've just been putting in $17 a day. The Liberation Day dip was really nice to dollar cost average into, and now we're up about 11.5% year to date. If you're interested in knowing what my 3-part portfolio is, just give me a follow and comment Roth down below.